Today's interesting video about the BMW CIC unit, 2009 up to 13. Some cars had it up to 2017. For example, Rolls-Royce Phantom, they had this unit in 2017. We can repair them. So we got this unit from person complained that the unit stopped working and rebooting, black screen. When we got it, we connected it and the short circuit kicked in. And these transistors, those 3 power transistors, they got really hot. Honestly, we started looking into it. We couldn't find a problem. We replaced transistors, didn't help, of course, and we replaced the whole unit. But lately, we started looking closer. This is a satellite tuner module, and it actually was there. Okay, like this installed. It goes like this. So we removed the. After looking closer, we found this. See these pins? They're supposed to be pins here, just like you see pins over there. A set of pins. It was completely bent, broken off. There's 3 sets of pins. So why it happened? Here's the result. This is the complete unit. You can see this connector sticks out the most, and this one a little bit less. When they drop this box, and believe me, they throw those boxes, this connector gets pushed inside. And this connector is obviously this board. And what's going to happen? Of course, these connectors will be broken off. Not just broken off, it shorted the whole board completely. So most likely the board has different problem, but from shipping damage, it became a complete nightmare. So we had to replace the entire unit. But it could have been easily avoided. So what I'm saying is, when you decided to send us the unit, or it doesn't matter to anybody, protect the unit with something like this. So when the unit gets dropped, this will absorb the shock. The bubble wrap is not really a good packing material. You want to be proactive. You can cut a few holes, and you can install it like this. So basically, I see I made a few holes, so it stays really good here. You can put a plastic tape so it doesn't move, it doesn't get damaged. These connectors usually don't get they're not coming out too much. The most of the heat gets absorbed to that board. But here as well, if you want to be proactive, put something. You can see there's actually this connector is a little bit broken. Not too bad, but I'm just saying put something like this here as well, because it makes more problems than initial problem is, and it's actually really bad. So we had to replace the entire unit because the unit was completely shorted. So in order to fix this unit, at least we need to replace the satellite tuner, but on top of that, the board was shorted. Most likely something else went bad, and it's not easy to trace it, because maybe original problem was some of the chip went bad. We had just to replace it. Now, actually, I'm not sure if we're going to even be able to fix this board ever. That's about it. Thank you.